Hello and welcome to 27 Grove Road here in Markham Village. This is a wonderful street and this home has beautiful curb appeal. You can walk to Main Street or great schools and parks. You've got the GO train nearby, the hospital nearby, easy access to Highway 407 and 404 if you commute downtown. Inside this beautiful home, you have a spacious living room and dining room, an eat-in kitchen with a walkout to a large backyard. You've got a main floor family room with a brick floor-to-ceiling fireplace and a walkout to that backyard as well. There's main floor laundry with access to the garage. Upstairs, there are 4 spacious bedrooms. The primary has its own ensuite and multiple closets. There are 3 additional bedrooms and a beautifully updated second bathroom on the second floor. There's an unspoiled, large, unfinished basement as well, so you can do what you want with that. This is a beautiful home. Come inside and take a look.